Uh, the question is, which of the following is equivalent to negative 2x to the third y to the fifth to the second power? So there's a problem which is negative 2x to the third y to the fifth, all of that to the second power. This is a power to power. There's two powers, and then when there's power to power, you multiply the power. For example, when it's like x to the third, that's 3, to the sixth power. What does this mean? It means x to the third times 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 x to the third, 6 of them, times x to the third. So when it's like this and all the bases are same, what you're going to do, since it's multiplication and the bases are same, you're going to add the power, right? 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus, and there's 6 of them. So 6 times 3 is 18. So you get x to the power of 18. So basically what you did is eventually you multiplied 3 by 6, right? So same thing here when it's power to power, therefore you're going to multiply the powers. So it's going to be x to the power of 16. And it's not necessary to do this because it's too long. As long as you remember it's power to power, you multiply, and this is the reason. This is the reason. So
16?
oh, 18. Yeah, 18. So 18. So it's 3 times 6 is 18, right? And then now, if there's a negative inside, negative x to the second power, all of that to the power of 3. So what's going to be, see, negative to the third power means negative times negative times negative. When you have odd number of negatives multiplied, it's going to be negative. X squared times to the third power, so you multiply powers. 2 times 3 is 6, so it's going to be x to the power of 6, right? So now to do this problem, it's negative to the second power, it's going to be positive. 2, the power is 1 for this. So to the first power, to the second power, so you multiply the powers. 1 times 2 is 2, so it's going to be 2 to the second power, right? X to the third to the second power is going to be what? X to the power of 2 times 3 is what? 6. And then y to the power of 5 to the second power again. So there are two powers to power, you multiply 5 to the 10th. So basically you multiply the powers. One more problem. Like how about you have negative 3x squared y to the 6, h to the negative 2, p to the 3, all that to the third power. So negative to the odd power is negative. 3, the power of 3 is 1. 1 times 3, 3. So it's going to be 3 to the third, which is 3 times 3 times 3, which is going to be 27. If you wanted to simplify this, this would have been, from previous problem, would have been 2 times 2, 4. Or you can leave it like that. Depending on the answers, you have to check the answers, see which one they want, if it's multiple choice. So x squared to the third power is going to be x to the power of 6. Y to the power of 3 times 6 is 18, not 16. H to the power of negative 2 times 3 is going to be negative 6. See, if even the power is negative, you multiply negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And then p to the power of 3 times 3 is what? 9. So that's the final answer.